Hi gang, here's another drone experiment. I took the drone straight up from our yard and went up about 400 feet, which is the maximum allowed by the FAA. Here we're looking straight north and you can see Lake LBJ in the top left, winding up through the countryside. And if you go off to the right a little bit at the top, you'll see the dam for Inks Lake. And if you look really closely on the left, you can see a little bit of Lake Buchanan. So we'll continue on around here. You can see the lake winding down. Pretty soon you'll see the pond where I took the last video. That's on our homeowners association maintains that. And the Lake LBJ beyond it. And again, up in this area, it's pretty much of a river, although it's not flowing. Continue on around. We're looking pretty much east now. And there's kind of a mountain behind that in the distance, right at the horizon. The lake kind of winds down and turns to the right and kind of wraps around that green field you see. And coming up on the right is kind of a little crescent-shaped body of water. That's just an inlet off the lake that they dredged out and smoothed up the banks and made a new neighborhood. And they call it waterfront property, but that's kind of a stretch. But it's kind of a nice area. Again, the lake continues on. And coming up on the upper right corner, you can see some of the lower ends of Lake LBJ. That's below Kingsland. So again, the lake continues around to the right. And coming up into view on the right-hand side is our local airstrip. It's just a grass field, but there's quite a bit of activity on it. And off in the distance, you can see the bridge over the river just as you're leaving Kingsland. Kingsland kind of stretches between that bridge you see over the water, and there's a couple white water tanks, and the one just coming into view on the right is that's the extent of Kingsland to the east. So it's not much of a city, it's more of a community. The road on the right there is Route 2545. That's the only way in to our area. It kind of dead ends near us. And you can see the lake kind of winding around. It comes in on the upper left, moving to the right, and right at the center there, there's a little shiny spot. Right there it bends hard to the left again and goes back to the south. So now we're looking almost directly west. In the upper center there is a Radio Control Club flying field. And a mountain coming up there is called Long Mountain. And Lake Buchanan is on the other side of that. It's one of the biggest lakes in the area, but unfortunately you can't see it from here. And this junky looking neighborhood right in front of us is not part of our development, but it's just adjacent to it. And it's kind of a low rent district. People don't take very good care of their property, as you can see. But fortunately, when you're underground, you don't see much of that. And we're coming around to looking north again, just about to where we started. What I did was I took the drone just straight up, and it's a little bit breezy today, and I was curious to see if it stayed in position. And as you can see soon, it did. So there This is back where we started. You can see Lake LBJ up toward the dam. So now I'm going to start to tilt the camera down again. Again, the drone's staying level, but the camera is tilting. And since a drone is controlled by GPS, no matter how breezy it is, if I go straight up and that's all, it should stay exactly in the same position. And as you can see, I took off from the apron in front of the garage, just at the upper edge of it, as you see here. And now all I'm doing is coming straight down. And if all goes well, we should end up right on the edge of that concrete apron, which is where I took off from. You can see a little bit of movement on the tree there, so it's not totally calm today. But no matter how much the wind's blowing up at 400 feet, the drone will strive to maintain its position by GPS. So if I come straight down, I should be exactly where I left. It's just about where I took off from. Let's spin around here. A little editing jump there. And here we are, right back where we started. So I hope you enjoyed our little quick tour around the neighborhood. Things look a lot different from 400 feet up. The drone will go much higher than that, but the FAA says 400 feet above ground level is the limit. So that's what I did. Thanks for watching.